Corsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know. But why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you said. It's just that I don't see myself. Keep in mind I got longevity deals now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna say,
hey boos, so, child, hair problem. Anyway, so this is a really quick video. I wanted to show you, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this or you're going to see it. I wanted to show you sort of what the Fenty, it's sort of a highlighter eyeshadow thing called, it's a Killawatt foil. Maybe we could probably like mix it and do like both colors on, and you know, I don't know. But anyway, it's the Killawatt foil Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. I saw this entire Fenty collection and passed on everything. This was the only thing in the collection that I felt like was a little bit different and I would potentially use either color as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter. In this instance, I used it as a highlighter, and because Ashley was here, Ashley also, we showed you what the colors look like on both of our skin tones. And so I really like this. It was $36. Do I love the entire collection? No. Could you pass on everything? Yeah. Like, let's just be honest, it just to me wasn't super wearable. The orange and pink like combo was super cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw it. I showed you guys the collection as I went to the mall and saw it at my Sephora. And I thought the pink and the orange was super pretty, but as you saw me review a year ago, I have the Juvias Place Volume 2 blush palette that has a hot pink and an orange. I also have Taj Mahal by NARS. I really don't need a new, like, and that's what the orange looks like. It kind of reminds me of Taj Mahal a little bit. Well, actually, it's a little bit brighter than Taj Mahal. Never mind. So overall, it's pretty. This is really just a demo to show you sort of what it looks like on our skin tones. I definitely think I will use this. But as anyone who's like a traditional makeup wearer, more classic or what have you, which I think your run-of-the-mill makeup wearer is, I don't think you would get tons of use. Very glittery, very shimmery, very summer, but like if you're going to the office every day, where are you wearing it? You know what I mean? Maybe it's for a younger crowd.
I would prefer the last collection she had. All those highlighters were beautiful.
Yeah.
Like those are daily, like I can wear those every day.
Wear.
That Hustle Baby is an everyday wear.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty. Like the trophy wife was extreme for me, that yellow, but it was still wearable. Like you can wear that on the day-to-day basis. But these ones, I'm like, these are fun for the summer. They're fun for Instagram, you know.
They're fun for the gram.
They're fun for the gram, you know, do videos and stuff, but couldn't rock them on a date.
Because I'm seeing like some of these gurus that got the PR packages. No shade, ladies. I'd be raving about it too if Fenty thought I was cool enough to send me a free package. But let's be honest. Like, regular people, let's be honest, aren't really wearing it like that. But anyway, I like the one I got.
That sand one.
It's pretty. I think the blue was actually surprisingly pretty on me because I don't really mess with blue highlighters. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and of course, link in the description bar for where you can buy this, and also link to Ashley's channel because y'all gotta follow her too. Okay? Say hi, Ashley. All right, I'll see y'all soon.